Hi, this is going to be my trade journal for my November end week and December first week trades. Okay, but to be frank, these 2 weeks are like full bad way, not in a bad way, like it's in not in a favorable positions. I took it. Okay, let's me explain. Okay, the previous month was like amazing. Okay, but this 2 weeks I got like a losing streak. Okay, so this is going to be my first trade, which I took it in GVP CAD. Okay, GBP cat. My first trade was I was planning to buy when the market was in this area. It was the previous week, but I couldn't see any buy options. Okay, so I thought market came to this low. I thought market will sweep this low, but I never thought this was a whole range. Okay, this is the swing high, and this is the swing low. It should be a demand area. Okay, first of all, I didn't to consider that, and I thought this is a liquidity area and went to minor time frame. Okay, and it was also not a good entry because it happened in a Monday too. Okay, because I'm watching the market, it was going so crazy I couldn't capture this trade. I was seeing this market sweep this highs and started to come down. I thought to enter here, but market came so fast I couldn't enter in this area. Okay, so I thought let me retest, and let's when it's going down I will continue the trade. That was my whole plan. Okay, but market came. I had a 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, market came. I think we had a breakaway also. Okay, this candle open. So market came to that inside that gap, started to go up. I thought I will trigger and started to go down, but market was totally bullish, and market was so bullish it went to like to the top. Okay, the mistake I was done in this trade is I didn't consider this is a demand zone. Okay, I thought everything is under liquidity, so market will sweep this liquidity and start to go down. After sweeping, if a fair value gap forms, means I can enter in buy. Okay, but I was expecting market to be bearish in this area. I should be expecting in the premium area. Okay, this is a discount area. When market is in discount, I should not try to sell market. Okay, that's the thing, and I should understand where the swing and where we are in the current situation. Okay, I was not in my hometown too. I was traveling around, but okay, that's not a excuse to take a bad trade. Okay, next day news came, market had a nice pull, and I never thought this market will go. I only my point of view is like after sweeping the market will go up, but after seeing now I could see clearly entry here everywhere. I could see entries. Okay, by if I just switched my thought to okay, now market switched after this bullish impulsive candle displacement towards up. I should start to think of buying this market, but okay, I missed that opportunity because we can overall say we took a small buy in this area, and here where we cleared our entire positions. Okay, so entire first funded account, my journey started here, and I couldn't see because this is a overall nice bullish market. Okay, see we sweeped monthly lows and we are trying to go above, so it's like so much fast it happened. I couldn't see properly. This was my whole mistake because see I actually planned for taking this liquidity, tunnel liquidity in this weeks. Okay, that was my overall direction. Okay, we have a LLRR, so my market might go from here, but I didn't consider we had a proper swing. Okay, that was my mistake. See, market sweeps here and market comes and market went. Okay, this is not a high, this is the whole range impulsive, and it's a retracement and started to go up. So that perspective I'm not seeing clearly. I thinking about buying here, but I never thought buy here. Okay, that I want to change. Only sell in premium. If think about selling here, I never thought of selling here, but I am selling here. That was my bad thing. Okay, so this is my first trade, and GBP I learned from my mistakes. Okay, but I did many mistakes that week. That's okay. That's a lesson for after nice market move. That's, I think this is the lesson I need to take it now so that I don't want to lose big money. Okay, this is the trade too. Okay, the market swept previous Friday's low and started to go up. Okay, this I'm the seeing GBP CAD and GBP AUD at the same time to trade, but market never retraced into some fair value gap to go bullishness. Okay, just sub the previous days, those one started to bullish. So I thought we had a day's fair value gap also. Okay, so I thought market will push into this, and when market comes down, at the retracement I can enter. That's my whole plan. Okay, and we had a 1 hour fair value gap here, and sorry. After that, market came into this. I can see the same price action which happened yesterday is happening here. Okay, market is respecting 15 minutes fair value gap. You can see market is respecting 15 minutes fair value gap, and market is going above. So I thought I should not be like stick to my, because my previous GBB CAD trade is loss. I also thought like GBB CAD came and be a bullish trend, but GBB AUD we had a day's fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. So I thought to take this trade like this. After seeing this price action, when this I entered here, because every pair is a separate thing. So I entered in this fair value gap. When market retraced after sweeping this lows, when market retraces, I thought, okay, market is trying to be bullish. I really don't want to be in this position. So I took out. I like a $8 loss. I took this in small loss. But this was a nice lesson which I learned from the previous. I implemented in here and I reduced my risk here. Okay, this was a little bit of a bad trade, bad direction, but in a good way I closed this position. Next, Euro Chef. That's my third trade. That's really choppy market. Okay, let's off this. Go to higher time frame. See, I was planning to do a swing trade away. It was like 1 into 16 trade, but it never happened. Okay, because of this overall range, I marked as it's like a weekly outlook. I wrote, be patient, wait for the bullish fair value gap, so the high can take okay. After good confirmation, I want to enter this trade. Because of the previous 2 trade losses, okay, I was thinking like, what should I do, whether I want to take a trade or not. Okay, we had a nice sweep below of this loss. Okay, nice sweep, and next market went to above, and we formed a little bit of 4 hours fair value gap. When market came, we respected it, started to pull up, and when I could see a 4 hours fair value gap. Okay, in the middle of that I entered here. Okay, but I did another small mistake here also. I entered like after this 1 hour candle. I'll spin to 15 minutes. After this mitigation, I thought market will go from here. Okay, like we have so much, so I could risk, I can be the whole scenario I was thinking about like making money in this trade. Okay, I couldn't see any other thing also. So I entered this. Next candle it came down, like sweep, I lost. So I thought this is my final option, let me risk another 1%. Okay, if that doesn't work, my overall bias is wrong, I am not going to take from the trade. I took this and I hit the stop loss at the next moment also. Okay, this was the 3 trades which I took, and 3 trades is a loss trade, and I lost around 5%. I should have lost around 3%, but I lost 5.5 something. Okay, that's okay, because I know I made it once, I will made it again, but I stopped the trading from that. Okay, and next it came like next week, Monday 3rd, I took a trade in Euro AUD. This is nice, but my direction was right, but my entry was not great. Okay, can clearly see I still remember this trade. Okay, because Euro AUD I was planning to buy in this area for so many months. Okay, from, you can exactly say, from September 2023 I'm waiting for market to come this area, but I never took entry after market arrived here. That was the funny thing, you can say, in this market. See, because I know which trade I cleared my funded next phase one. Okay, I think it's in a 4 hours time frame. Oh, here, sorry, I was checking the another. I captured like exact here, this is the 4 hours breaker, and market came, we started a sweep. This was the whole downtrend I captured. Okay, to clear my funded next account. Okay, phase 1. I have posted in that in Instagram. And after that, I took another sell. Okay, I think the sell are good in this Euro AUD pairs. We took this, you can see in my previous journal. We took a 6% in this trade. If I had let it, it might be in a 60,000, but I closed at a 20,000. Okay, but okay, but let's come to the trade which I took. Okay, I can see a clear push, like impulsive move. Market started to come down, and I can see clearly a day time frame fair value gap. Okay, in this area, market respected to the T. Okay, and started to go up. So I thought, let me enter after a retracement. Okay, if I had just entered in a 4 hours fair value gap like this and kept my stop loss, so it also took it. Okay, I should have covered this low, but generally I won't do this third candle. I will keep as a mean area like that. But market took it. Okay, even if I took an entry at here, market would took it. But I should refine, because it's a December time. I should think of like market needs more liquidity to run up. Okay, I should have thought that, but I didn't did it. I took entry around this area where Euro AUD. Oh, sorry, I'm switching this Euro AUD. Yeah, I was thinking this is the exact trade. We respected that gap. Okay, so you can see my cells in this area. I closed it around here. Sorry, I closed it around this area. If I left it, it would have been a nice trade, but I didn't. So let's come to this trade. We had a nice impulse break structure. Okay, and this is the breaker block. From that I get a clear reaction. Okay, also, so I thought after a breaker, let me enter so that my risk reward can be more. Okay, I actually, this is my target. Okay, so we came to this breaker and we respected it, and it's also a Asian session trade also. Okay, not in a American session. See, American session pushed nicely. I should have traded only American session, but because of the greed, market had a nice impulse, 1 hour fair value gap, and it's a breaker. I took entry around here, stop loss hit. That's my trade. After that, market went super bullish. Swing, swing, swing. You could see my position. I mean, like, what are the option I could trade? Like here we had a nice entry. Like I could see entries more than okay. Here we, if we go to 15 minutes, it's like we sweep this Asian lows. Okay, market started to go up. After you can see 4 hours fair value gap, we respected and started to go up. After that we have a 1 hour fair value gap, we respected and market went up. 1 hour fair value gap, respect went up. I couldn't see this chart because of this losses. Okay, I said market is not in my direction, I should not take trade. So I thought reduce risk. Okay, but here I didn't think like that. Okay, I took another trade. After that only I realized. Okay, and that trade is in AUD JPY. I thought if I trade this week, I might lose my whole account. Okay, so I didn't took this trade. Another, I couldn't see another best options to trade. Okay, see here we had a nice. Okay, because this is the Monday. Okay, and the Tuesday's lows was swept and market was super bullish. It was going super high. Okay, even it's a downtrend, but I could see a market success shift. Market is respecting breaker blocks like every 15 minutes fair value was respected. See, this is the breaker, and this is the, we had a order block, like you can see order block, and we had a fair value gap. So market came respected. You know what I did in this trade? I thought of, let's put heavy lots in trade. Okay, because I couldn't see any order block or a 15 minutes fair value gap is working. So I thought, let me risk in this trade more so that I can make more if it's a 1:3 trade. Okay, that's my whole scenario, and I put one lot in this trade. Okay, market come down, I start losing hope, and I closed here. Market went up. That's the thing. So you can see in this. This is my overall entry. Entered here. My stop loss should be below this low. I kept it. After seeing this slow moving down, I couldn't hold it, and I took that and I went, okay, done for this week. I'm not going to trade because I couldn't see any opportunity. I really don't want to bust my account. Okay, I'm now totally 6% drawdown in my main funded account. So I thought, let me wait for the next week to trade. So let's hope how the next week goes. That's my trade journal. And I did another gold trade. Okay, because I couldn't enter in this my funded account, I should not bust my account. So I thought let me trade in my personal capital. Like I invested like $10 and I did, and I will do my journal next. After this journal, I will do that journal.